ladies. Yaruna pang pangakena shi famous shi pangawang. They have done their best. They have done well, and I'm sure we are all happy and wanted to be here at first round and hapoka. Final round and the perform sa kay itu tong niya ong sir later shit sang eh. All right, out of our result you pangli lately in a box shop mira. Firstly, second runners up in a hapoka. Second runners up with contestant number in a box shop mira na mangali shop milo kala he prize mi ko vai. We're Swami Pambashum RKL President request sangaye. So, ladies and gentlemen, do you have any guesses on your mind? Second runners up ikipalo kuy Mrauli. Contestant number kya kamrao? Nervous and all right. Second runners up goes to contestant number 17. RKL President Swami Pambashum Nana Hayakashina prizes me ka award Mimi Hollow. Ladies and gentlemen, the second runners-up of Miss Rupee 2022, contestant number 17. Yes, thank you. All right. Second runners-up Hamere are our first runners-up. Contestant number 10, 12, 14, 18. Ashimati Wena, Agakapang Kwigidle. Any guesses? Kapano Queen Rowley? First runners-up here. Yes? Mushong na naire, ashi bati with tuk jidar le iling nugrada le. Nervous at lagay hang shop music. Contestant number 12, the first runners up. Award him Mikawai, Queer Moyon Mi Unkai, ex-president Rupay Kitam now longly request Sangay delay. Ladies and gentlemen, the first runner-up of Miss Rupay 2022, contestant number 12. Okay, now we have come down to the last three contestants. Out of these two beautiful ladies, the winner will be only one. Miss Rupay 2022 hi. Ashikatumwe na the moment we have been waiting for. Ituna kasi kang laga, kachot kang laga, rang rai kaya atam jirai re. Miss Rupay 2022. The winner is contestant number 10. Congratulations. Winner hili prize mi kwai chief guest. We're sorry so yang yali request sang ai le na nakagami lo. Winner li middle ye ki kuiro mimi kapai da middle play ne ana sponsor sa kami ne Zingran Foods nala give hamburger ran mi idle ye ashiga thumoi ma proprietor na ka kui ka mi no Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner